Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy webinar, and you are watching not the Dukas Copy webinars, actually the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 10th of June 2024. The day is Monday, so I am starting it after a long time. So there may be some gaps in between, and those who don't know me already, let me introduce myself. I'm your host here, and my name is Rakesh. I'm not a Dukas Copy's employee. I'm just the member of the community who is trading with the Dukas Copy, and therefore all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they are of my own, and they have nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. So after clearing this thing, I think I should take you through the standard risk disclaimer. Please understand the risk that is associated with trading the foreign exchange because it is traded on margin. So please understand the risk involved. You can pause the video here if you want to. And I'll not take much time for introduction and we'll directly go to the charts. First things first. Now, what you can see on your chart right now is the dollar index, although this is the 4-hour. I will show you the daily chart. So why there is this gap? I don't know. This is an overnight gap. Well, this is not so good. Okay, overnight gap. This is not so good, but yes, it seems like that the structure is breaking here to the upside. Well, the price was making say higher highs and higher lows until here when it made a higher high and then made a lower low, made a lower high, made a lower low, then made a lower high, made a lower low, and then made an impulsive higher high. What does it mean? It means that we should be now looking for the buying opportunities. Okay, so this is what my projected trajectory is, and so I'm expecting the price to come back 72% from here, sorry, 62% from here. So what we are expecting, well, we are expecting the price to come at least, yeah, to at least this level here, 104.31 level, and then shoot up. That is what my expectation is now, because if that happens, then I think those who know the order flows, they will understand this, that buyers will be willing to buy this market or the US dollar now at the lower prices, not at the high prices. And this high here, which the price has just made, I'm just removing everything so that you can see everything clearly. Okay, but just remember that we are looking for the price to come back to 104.31 area before it takes off. Okay, so this is one thing. Now, why I'm thinking so? Because after taking this liquidity here, those who understand the ICT, they will understand it better, that after taking this liquidity here, if it has to run to this one, I think it is trying to go back and fill up the pockets again, or I will say looking for the lower price. This is very impulsive move. The price had no time to come back, so I'm expecting the price to come back first and then make a move maybe for these highs and then later on for these highs. This is what my expectation is. And also the market structure has changed on the daily. So what we can do on the 4-hour, yes, it seems like a swing high is being formed here, but that will be confirmed only when the price drops below the open of this candle, sorry, the low of this candle. And I think that will happen very soon. If that happens, we will be confirmed that the price is going back to 104.31. That this is the price there over here. So from here, you can expect the up move again. So yes, we are looking for the higher prices in the US dollar. In that sense, I think the pound should be falling and the euro should be falling and other currencies should be falling against the US dollar. So let's see what is happening in them. So here you can see on the daily, we are only looking at the daily market structure for that. Okay. The price made a higher high than this one and made a higher low and again made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, boom, and then break down. If I take this as a swing, which it is not, so yes, here there is a low. So the price is going higher again, but I think this is just going for a pullback. Now what does it mean? It means that if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, we should expect the price to get sold off from that same 72% or 62% levels. So from here, somewhere here the price should get sold off. And if you are already studying about the fair value gaps, which I'm studying right now, I think this is the fair value gap. Okay, the price is already in between that. And on the low time frames, we have the same value gap, 15 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Let's check. What is that? So this is a huge drop from here. So yeah, I think the price can drop from 1.2736 also. But yes, we are expecting the prices to go higher and sell it off around 1.2766, which is a fair value for somebody to get this market sold off. Right now, it's not a fair, or or you can say this already oversold. Not good to sell this market right now. From the market structure point of view, only from the market structure point of view, the price has made a lower low than this recent low, and therefore every high that the price is trying to make, we should be looking for selling that, and we should be targeting first this low and thereafter this low, and of course the lower lows that is here 1.2643. On the 1 hour we can draw this rising channel like we always draw. Okay, we call it a counter trending channel, and once this channel breaks to the downside, you can look for the selling opportunities. Fair enough. So till the time the price is going like this, which I am expecting to go to 1.2766, I think you should not be looking for selling. Talking about the euro, you can see that the daily it is falling just like reverse of USD JPY. Yes, it is very close to the support of 1.0724, and from here I'm expecting it to rise to maybe mitigate this gap that it has created, or maybe to even rise higher, just like other pairs that we have discussed. I'm expecting 68 61% here also, so somewhere here you should get your selling opportunity. Okay, so keep that also in mind. Yes, this is a selling market, but do not try to catch this falling knife and wait for the retracement before you make a move to the downside. Something similar in the Australian dollar, but no, it is in green. Well, Australian dollar, that means if it is in green, that means it is even more bullish than the US dollar. Now, what does it signify? It signifies that even if the US dollar stabilizes or do not rise further, then there's a possibility that the Australian dollar will rise very quickly towards 0.6748. So these lows maybe can be seen as only as liquidity. You can say they came here to check this liquidity, and now it is trying to go further. So on the low time frame, you should be looking for the buying opportunities in this counter, which I think you will get just now. Boom, boom. Okay, this has already gone. This on the 1 hour, it has already gone. 15-minute. The opportunity has gone. Okay. Now, when the market structure shifts, you should be looking for the buying opportunities that we had discussed. So the market structure shifted here, and the price started going up. So I think the retest of this level should be seen as a buying opportunity. Nevertheless, the US dollar, again, the Australian dollar looks like it's weak, and the Australian dollar is looking like it's stronger. So for me, the next target will be these highs here, and thereafter these highs, or you can say 0.6748 is the ultimate high or the ultimate target for this market. Stop loss will be 0.6558. New Zealand dollar on the similar lines. I think it is commodity based currency, that why it is going higher, because other commodities are also going higher. In this New Zealand dollar also, since the price has not reached this lower low, sorry, previous low, so there's a probability of the price going back towards 0.6217 and maybe even higher than that. USD CHF is not looking good here, although there was a market structure break, but there's a lot of consolidation here, at least on the 4 hour. If I check it on the daily it looks like it dropped and then it has entered the fair value gap, and from the fair value gap it just came down very fast on the daily. So I'm expecting lower prices in this one tomorrow, maybe day after. We are expecting 0.88 0.38 in this market. Even if it rises from here, then 0.9005 should be acting as a very good resistance for this market. USD CAD on the similar lines, you see it has not breached although these highs, but it has shown resistance on going further higher from here. Now the US dollar is rising, but the USD CAD is falling. That means something is cooking up here. You see on the 1 hour, even there is a market structure break, and any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity in this one. USD JPY, not so clean upside. The price is in between these two levels and is trying to make higher highs, higher lows. Then it dropped here, it's consolidated. Till the time the price doesn't go higher than this high of 157.47, I think we should not be looking for the buying opportunity. We should only be looking for the selling opportunity. New Zealand CAD, this is daily chart. Breakout from these equal highs has occurred. The price came back to retrace these levels. I think the buyers are trying to push the markets higher. Well, this is I'm not so sure. This may be that it only came to take this liquidity out of the market. Since it has closed below all these, you see the previous highs, it has closed all below these highs. That means the sellers were able to overpower the buyers even at the low prices. Now, what does it mean? That if the price rises, the sellers will try to jump in again to push the prices lower. So if in the low time frames, maybe you will witness the fair value gaps over here. Yes, there are. So since the price came down so fast, like he says, so you draw the Fibonacci and then you look for the 61% retracement or a little higher than that and look for the selling opportunities there. This is one method, and the other method is you take your counter trending channel, okay, join it with recent swing lows and swing highs, then extend it in time, and then expect this to break to the downside. When it does so and the market structure shifts, which has to shift, so you see the price is making higher highs and higher lows, yes, you will observe that there's a time above 61% when the price makes a lower low and lower high. Okay, so if you count this as 1, this 2, this 3, then at the 4 maybe you want to sell. Even you can sell here, but that will be very aggressive move. See, you can sell it here, okay, that's not a problem, but that will be an aggressive move. Rather than this, what you do is you sell it here, being a conservative move. You can put your stop loss here and you can put your take profit target here. I think that will be a very good risk to reward ratio also, and you will be not having any tension that the price is going to go higher or not, because you know that the price is making lower highs and lower lows. So you will be out because your stop loss will be somewhere here at the recent high or at here. I hope you understand this part. What is happening in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is consolidating above 65,919. Why it is consolidating? Okay, wait. Okay, maybe it is consolidating before it is going to make next leg higher, which I'm expecting very soon now, because the price is able to sustain at these highs. So that means the buy orders are coming in. So what it is going to target, guys? I think this is going to target this 73,833 very soon. If you have any opinion or ideas or things to discuss, you can write them in the chat. I'm live right now, and I'll be very happy to talk to you if you have anything to discuss for that matter. Or if there is any particular pair that you want me to discuss about, you can write about that also. So talking about this Bitcoin, 73,833 is the resistance on the upside. I can see the support is around 65,919, but I think if the price goes below this 64, 68, 450, I think the price will start dropping downwards. That is what my expectation is. Although we have a swing, what is happening? Although we have a swing low here, 66,652. One Shika Gupta. Do you have any Discord group to check for setup and learn? I had earlier uh, Discord group, but now I don't have. What setup you want to check, basically? If you can let me know, I can share my Discord server link, but that is very old. Wait, let me show you. I think it was there. Yes. Okay. I think I got this. I'm not sure if it works or not, but I think this is what my like gold and okay. So this is my Discord. Okay. So what I was talking about here is that 69,871.5 is where the price is trading right now, and I'm expecting the price to break through these equal highs here. This one, which is 71,993, and this is 71,994. So I hope there is some liquidity over here above this, and then it is above here, and I'm expecting price to actually go 73,833 also. Brent. Brent didn't break this low, 76.66, and here it was 76.78. No, it failed to go below this, but this was our target, 76.66. It failed to reach the targets, but reached the vicinity of the target. Okay. um well, this is what we expected, and something like this is very cool. You see, the equal highs first, they get breached, then the price reverses to the other side. This you can witness everywhere, almost everywhere. Every time this happens, when the price has to go in one direction, first it goes opposite direction, and then it goes back to the. Okay, so here we had an impulsive down move, and now it looks like, I'm not sure that it's a reversal or if it's a retracement, but you can see that there is a fair value gap here. There's this fair value gap above, I'll say 62%. And I'm expecting the price to first go into it and then gets rejected like that. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. All right. If you want to join my chat, here is where I'm sitting right now. Thank you very much. And in gold, in golds, people are very thoughtful about gold now that the gold is only going to go higher, and it will always keep going higher. No, so I think this is a very big misconception. The price of the gold, of course, it is going higher because of the tensions, but here it is going lower. It is going lower, and it is expected to go further lower. This is what my expectation is. Okay, but I'm just deleting it for some time, and I'm giving you a Fibonacci retracement of here to here, and I'm expecting again 61% to reach, that is 2349, above which I'll be looking for the shorting opportunities in the gold. Right now I'm not buying this market because the market structure is boom boom boom, lower highs, lower lows. No buying in this type of market. Okay, so what is happening in the Japanese index? Boom, boom, right, low, low. So here it has taken this liquidity. Well, here it looks like that the price is trying to take higher prices here. But if you drop a Fibonacci from here, I think it is already about 72% here, and it is consolidating only. You see, these levels are the same levels from where you should be looking for the selling opportunity. So when the price is trying to go higher from here, I think it is just going to take this liquidity before it falls further. This is my expectation now. I am expecting 36,693 on this based on the price action model of the ICT, which I'm learning right now. But if you ask me from the market structure point of view, the price has dropped from here this high. Till the time this high is not breached, which I think it has just breached, we'll be looking for the buying opportunity. But yes, to what extent? Up to this high, above which I will be looking for the selling opportunities. So yeah, this is consolidating market. Yeah, so above this high, only buying, that is 39,956. Above that, if it closes, you buy, and if it closes below 36,693, you sell. But from this range trading, I'm expecting 38,710 and higher to be seen as the selling opportunities. Okay, what about the euro JPY? Finally, euro got sold off with the Japanese yen. This may be your first target on the downside if it keeps selling, and your resistance is now this one. This is not your resistance now. Okay, now 170.89 is your upside resistance, and it will change to 170.29 if the price breaks below this level of 168.04, which it has not yet. Talking about GBP AUD, the market structure shift, pull back and rise, again pull back. I think these levels should be tested to get the support, and thereafter these levels should also be seen as a support. Where is the resistance? Potential resistance is around this level and around this level. All right, so keep an eye on these all levels. CHF JPY, finally the price has broken the high of this day. What was the day? Okay, this was 29th of April this year. The price has very briskly gone again towards that level. That is suggesting that the Swiss franc is going to be very strong in the coming days against the Japanese yen. At least look at the green candles here. There's so many of green candles, only 2 or 4 are red candles. Now there's no even pullback, so price is in a hurry to go up, and if we are able to break this, I think level of 175.36, then there's no coming back to that. I think right now. Or in New Zealand, well, a clean market structure break, a sell-off from here, boom, 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 boom. And this is also happening on the monthly, guys. This is also happening on the monthly. Don't forget, we said it here, that if the price fails to go higher than this trend line, then it will fall very sharply. And this is exactly what has happened. We told this to you. Okay, the market structure break on the weekly even, then boom, boom, boom. So I think the lower levels, that is 1.0570, is on the charts now. How many pips? I don't want to count. You can count it by yourself. Okay. Euro CHF. Something similar, but I'm not going to trade this and not even going to talk about this. So guys, you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer those questions for you. So please feel free to ask your questions and let me answer if you have any. So someone was like, Vanshika was asking me about my Discord group. I have shared my Discord group. I don't see you there, although I'm sitting over there. I thought that you would like to talk about some setups, but there's no, I'm just waiting as grandpa. The name is grandpa. So yeah, I hope to see you there. So that's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those and I'll be very happy to answer. And if not, then I would like to wrap up this session and see you tomorrow. So I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade. And you should look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. If it is 2 times, then it's okay, fine. But statistically, if you have 1:3 risk to reward ratio, you will be profitable in the longer run, even if you flip a coin. So With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at what 1770. Bye bye. Take care. If you want to touch base with me, you can keep my Skype on here. That is Mia Soldier 123, and you can also speak with me over there. Thank you very much. Bye bye once again.